How to cancel the Zone subscription on iPhone. I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Zone subscription on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap your name at the top, then go into Subscriptions. Find the Zone or DAZN in the list and tap Cancel Subscription. You might have to scroll to see it, confirm the cancellation, and you'll keep access until the end of your current billing period. If you're signed up through Apple TV, you can also cancel by going to Settings, Accounts, Subscriptions, and managing the zone there. Just make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID that was used to subscribe. People often miss it and think it disappeared. Once done, you'll get a confirmation email and your subscription will end after the next payment cycle.